Today's lesson is on applications of percent. We're going to find and estimate solutions to application problems involving percent. The Indiana Academic Standard is 7.2.3. Our vocabulary word for today is commission. Commission is found by taking the commission rate times the sales. Let me explain what commission is. Commission is money that people make when they sell things. If you go to a car lot, the salesman, when he sells you a car, is going to make a commission. There are a lot of sales positions where people make commissions. When somebody sells a house, the realtor makes a commission. Pause the video if you need more time to copy down the notes. Example number 1, finding sales tax. A video game costs $34.98. The sales tax rate is 5.5%. How much will you pay for the video game? The first thing we have to do is actually find the sales tax. So we're going to find 5.5% of $34.98. We can simply change 5.5 into the decimal of 0.055 and multiply it times $34.98. And we get 1.9239. Because we're talking about money, we have to round this to the nearest cent. So that means we're going to have two numbers after the decimal point. So that would round to 1.92. So we add that to the original price of $34.98. So we have $34.98 plus $1.92, which is $36.90. So you will pay $36.90. Remember, dollar signs go in front of the dollar amount. Pause the video if you need more time to copy down the notes. Example 2, estimating a tip. We're not actually going to estimate to find the tip. We're just going to calculate 15% of $34.50. We need to change the 15% into a decimal, so 0.15 times $34.50. 0.15 times $34.50 is 5.175. Because tip is money, we can't have three decimals after the decimal point or three numbers after the decimal point. So we're going to round this to $5.18. Pause the video if you need more time to copy down the notes. Don't forget to write down any questions you have so that we can discuss them in class tomorrow. Let's try quick check number 1. Find the total cost for a purchase of $185 if the sales tax rate is 5.5%. We'll start by taking 5.5% of 185. We change the percent to a decimal, so 0.055 times 185 is 10.175. Now we need to round that to the nearest cent so that we can add it to the $185. So that would be $10.18. So we have 185 plus $10.18, which is $195.18. So the total cost of the purchase was $195.18. For example 2, it says to estimate a 15% tip for each amount. We're not going to estimate, we're just going to find 15% of each amount. So number 2A, find 15% of 58.20. So 0.15 times 58.20 is $8.73. For 2B, 15% of 61.80 would be 0.15 times 61.80, which is $9.27. For number 2C, we need to find 15% of 49.75. 0.15 times 49.75 is 7.4625. Because it's money, we have to round it to the nearest cent. So that means the tip would be $7.46. Pause the video if you need more time to copy down the notes. Don't forget to write down any questions you have so that we can discuss them in class tomorrow. Finding a commission, example 3. Find the commission on a $300 sale with a commission rate of 8.5%. Some people just earn commission. That means they don't make any money unless they sell something, and then they just earn a percent of that sale. We're going to find 8.5% of $300. So we change 8.5 into a decimal, so 0.085, and multiply that by 300. That is 25.5. The commission on the sales is $25.50. Pause the video if you need more time to copy down the notes. Don't forget to write down any questions you have so that we can discuss them in class tomorrow. Finding a commission. Find the total earnings for a salesperson with a salary of $550 plus 4% commission on sales of $1,485. Sometimes people make a base salary and then they earn commission on the things they sell. In this case, that's exactly what's happening. You have somebody who makes $550, but then they also make the commission on the sales that they have. To find their total earnings, we're going to take the salary plus the commission. We're going to have to find the commission though. So we're going to let T equal their total salaries. We'll fill in the equation here. Their salary was $550. The commission rate was 4%, so we use 0.04, and the sales was $1,485. So the total total earnings is going to be $550 plus 0.04 times $1,485. 0.04 times $1,485 is 59.4. So 550 plus 59.4 would be $609.40. So the salesperson earns $609.40. Pause the video if you need more time to copy down the notes. Don't forget to write down any questions you have so that we can discuss them in class tomorrow. Quick check number 3. Find the commission on a $3,200 sale with a commission rate of 6%. If you think you know how to do this, pause the video and try it on your own. If you're not sure, then just continue watching the video and we'll solve this together. We need to find 6% of 3,200. That means we're going to take 0.06 times 3,200, which is $192. So the commission is $192. Pause the video if you need more time to copy this problem down. Otherwise, try the next quick check on your own. Suppose you earn a weekly salary of $800 plus a commission of 3.5% on all sales. Find your earnings for a week with total sales of $1,400. So we're going to take $800 plus 3.5% of 1,400. So we're going to have to use the decimal 0.035 for the percent and multiply that times the 1,400. So we end up with 800 plus 0.035 times 1,400, which is $849. So your total earnings for the week is $849. Pause the video if you need more time to copy this problem down. Otherwise, try the next quick check on your own.